Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to change text spacing in PowerPoint. To change the spaces between text, you can do the following. First, select the text. Go to the Home tab, select character spacing in the font group. Choose a tighter or looser spacing. For more precise spacing, select More Spacing. In the spacing box, select Expanded or Condensed. In the By box, specify the number of points to expand or condense. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.